The question is 24 divided by, open parentheses, 4 plus 6, bracket closed, multiplied by, open parentheses, 8 minus 5, bracket closed. First of all, to solve this kind of problem, we definitely need to use PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E for exponential, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. We know that multiplication and division have the same priority. Similarly, addition and subtraction also have the same priority. Now, first of all, we solve the parentheses, so let's start the solution. First, we'll solve the parentheses. Inside them, division has the highest priority, so we'll solve the division first. 24 divided by 4 plus 6 multiplied by 8 minus 5. Let's solve it further. Here, 4 into 24 goes 6 times. Now 6 plus 6 times 8 minus 5. Let's solve it further. 6 plus 6 becomes 12. 12 times 8 minus 5. If we do 8 minus 5, we get 3 here. Now, 12 times 3. 12 times 3, this is 36. And this is the right answer.